How did you get your beard to look so good today, Cody?
A hairdryer in 20 minutes. I woke up early for this.
You spent more time on your beard than most guys spend.
Just getting ready in general. With the release of the Jeep Wrangler JL in 2018 and the addition of the Jeep Gladiator JT in 2019, there are a ton of new Jeep accessories that have hit the market. Among these are the Elite headlight guards from Rugged Ridge. The JL and the JT feature an all-new redesigned 9-inch headlight, unlike the previous model's 7-inch headlight. The Elite headlight guards replace the retaining ring around the headlight, providing additional reinforcement, protection, and aggressive styling to the front of the Jeep. Now, the guards are made from cast aluminum that has been powder-coated black, giving them an aggressive styling borrowed from the OEM headlights. Now, I think the best part about these headlight guards is the install process. Unlike other headlight guards, these don't attach using 3M tape. There are 3 bolts around the frame of the headlight guard that bolt directly into the headlight fixture, replacing the retaining ring. This means the install procedure is very simple, requiring only basic tools and taking about 10 minutes. At a retail price of about $50, these headlight guards are a no-brainer for just about anyone, regardless of whether you're looking for additional protection for your headlights off-road or you're just looking to add some aggressive styling to your Jeep. If you can't get enough of these Elite headlight guards, Rugged Ridge also offers Elite taillight guards so you can complete the look. You can find these Rugged Ridge products and more on our website, titantruck.com, by calling us or stopping in. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like. If you want to see more videos from us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get a notification every time we upload a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruck Spokane. I'm Cody with Titan Truck, and we'll see you later.